There may be many times when you find yourself needing to import and work with CAD files. In this lesson, we're going to spend a bit more time working with imported CAD files than we did with the other reference file types. Let's create a new page and name it CAD Reference. Go up to Insert again and select the oven.dwg file from the same references folder. We're prompted for some options this time. We can choose between importing paper space, model space, or the file's model space as a SketchUp model reference, which would allow us to rotate and pan around the CAD file the same as if we inserted a SketchUp model. Let's for now select the paper space and choose Layout 1 as there's already a scaled viewport set up for us. We can see that the CAD viewport is now live on our page and scaled correctly, as noted by the scale factor in the upper left corner. You can also see that in addition to the CAD line work, text and dimensions both import as well, and function as native layout entities. This is awesome as it could save us a ton of time by not having to redo anything that's already been created in CAD. Though we may still need to do some minor style edits to get everything to look perfect again. The DWG file has been inserted as a scaled drawing. To edit a scaled drawing, just double-click into it like a group. Make any changes, then double-click out of it. Also, since our CAD drawing has been inserted as live line work, we can modify the lines as needed in the Shape Style window. Just to test this out, let's change the stroke color and thickness of the oven line work, which again needs to be done when inside the group. Now, given that we're no longer working with SketchUp model references, if we wanted to change the scale of our newly inserted CAD group, we would do it in the Scaled Drawing window. Here we can see the scale factor again that's applied to the CAD line work, which was set by our CAD's viewport scale. Let's try changing the scale in the window to see how our CAD drawing updates as well. To wrap up our CAD import process, it's important to note that the CAD line work comes in grouped by layer. So if you have many objects on many separate layers in CAD, it may make working with them more difficult in layout. Just like working with CAD files in SketchUp, it's important to spend some time cleaning up and organizing your CAD files prior to importing.